Hello and welcome. My name is Francis. Today we are going to learn how to make fast hair growth oil for babies. If you are new on this channel, I will encourage you to subscribe and then press the notification bell to get updates anytime we upload a new video. If you have subscribed already, thank you so much. And please do remember to subscribe if you have not done that because you are going to learn a lot of products from this channel. When you are making your fast hair growth oil for babies, these are the ingredients you are going to need. Olive oil, and then virgin coconut oil. We have lavender, we have orange, we have almond, and then we have tea tree, and then we have our bottle here, and then our measuring spoon. So these are the ingredients we are going to use to make our hair growth oil for baby. I'll leave the measurements in the description box. When you are making this oil, you first pour your carrier oil, whether it's coconut oil, olive oil, whatever carrier oil you have, you just pour it into your bowl or your bottle. And then you add just only a percentage of the essential oil that you choose to the carrier oil. You shake the bottle and then you are done with your fast hair growth oil for your baby. Let's get started. The essential oils are very concentrated, so you have to use just 1% of the carrier oils that you are going to use. If you take more than that, it may have effects on the child, on the baby. This is how you make fast hair growth oil for babies. Like I've mentioned earlier, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe because you're going to learn a lot of products from here. And please remember to and please remember to press the notification bell to get updates anytime we upload a new video. And also like this video, share with your friends. And we thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet again.